Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show the execution of swapping of two numbers without using third variable and with using third variable. Okay. So, first of all, what is meant by swapping? Swapping means interchanging the values. Okay. Suppose if A is holding a value of 4 and B is holding a value of 5. Okay. Swapping means we have to make the B value, that is 5, to A, and we have to assign A's value, that is 4, to B. Okay. That means that the process of interchanging the values of the two variables is called as a swapping. So, we can perform this swapping by using a third variable, and without using third variable also we can perform the swapping. Okay. So, how to perform this swapping operation by using a third variable and without using third variable, I am going to show the program. Okay. So, first of all, I am starting the execution of swapping of two numbers without using a third variable. Okay. So, see here, first of all, hash include stdio.h, next int main. So, here I am taking two variables A and B. So, int A equals to 4, B equals to 5. Okay. A is assigned with the value of 4 and B is assigned with the value of 5. Okay. So, now I am going to print the values, okay, of A and B. So, printf, here I am going to write a message before swapping /n, okay, printf, I just want to print the values of A and B. So, A equals to %d as it is an integer variable, B equals to %d, comma A comma B. That means before swapping I am going to print the values of A and B. Okay. So, here my aim of the program is swapping of two numbers without using third variable, right? So, here now I am going to write the logic. See here, A equals to, first of all, perform A plus B operation. Okay. And next, B equals to A minus B. Okay. So, here see, first of all, what I am doing is I am performing A plus B operation. That means A plus B, that is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, that is 9. I am assigning that value to A. So, previously A is holding 4 and now A is holding 9. Okay. Next, B equals to A minus B. A is now 9, not 4. Okay. 9 minus 5. That is B is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now, B is holding a value of 4. Now, A equals to A minus B. So, A is 9 and B is how much? 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Again, now A is holding a value of 5 and B is holding value of 4. So, is it swapped now? Yes. Okay. Values are interchanged, right? Now, I am going to print the values of A and B. Okay. So, this is the logic I am following. Okay. To swap the numbers, that means to interchange the values of two variables, to swap the two variables without using a third variable. Okay. So, now here again I am going to write the message. Okay. So, after swapping, okay, after swapping again I am going to print the values of A and B. So, A equals to %d, B equals to %d, comma A comma B. Okay. Return 0. So, this is the logic I am going to follow. So, like this I can perform swapping of two numbers without using a third variable. Okay. So, this is my code. Now, let me run the code. So, see here, before swapping A is holding a value of 4 and B is holding a value of 5. So, after swapping A is now holding a value of 5 and B is now holding a value of 4. So like this we have to perform swapping operation without using a third variable. Okay. Now let me show how to perform swapping using a third variable. Okay. So here already I have two variables A and B, and here I am taking another variable, that is the third variable, as a temp. So a temporary variable. Okay. I am naming it as a temp. This is my third variable. So here also I am going to print the values of A and B before swapping. So see here how I am going to write the logic. By using third variable, how to perform swapping is my logic. Okay. So see here, first of all what I am doing is A value I am going to store in temp variable. Okay. A value means 4. So this 4 is now this 4 value is now assigned to temp variable. Okay. And B's value, what is the value of B? B is holding a value of 5. So that value is assigned in A. Okay. That means temp is holding a value of 4 and A is holding a value of 5 now. Okay. And now what I am going to do is, again this temp value I am going to assign to B variable. Okay. Temp is holding a value of 4, right? Again 4 is being assigned to B variable. So this is the logic I am following. So first initially I have declared two variables A and B, and also I am taking a third variable. So A is initialized with a 4 and B is initialized with a 5. Okay. And I am declaring another variable, that is a temp variable. Okay. I am taking another variable, that is a temp variable. So first what I am doing is I am assigning the value of A to temporary variable. Okay. That is 4 is now stored in temp variable, and B, that is 5, is being stored in A variable, that is A is now holding a value of 5. And again I am assigning this temp value to B, that is temp is holding a value of 4, that I am assigning to B variable. So like this I am performing swapping operation using a third variable. Okay. So this is my code, and after swapping I am just printing the value of A and B. Okay. So let me run the code. So see here, before swapping A equal to 4 and B equal to 5. After swapping A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4. Okay. So this is my swapping operation using third variable. Okay. So like this we can perform swapping operation without using a third variable and by using third variable. Thank you.